Hi, I'm Mark Trossel, Head of Design for Ram and Mopar. Standing next to me is our 2020 Top Dog Gladiator concept. We put this vehicle together to demonstrate the capability of the Gladiator with the Mopar accessories and the Jeep Performance parts on it. And we've catered the vehicle to be for that hardcore mountain bike enthusiast that really likes to go way off-road in extreme conditions and giving them a perfect vehicle to get there with some amenities that go along with it. A few of the details over the products that we have on the vehicle. Mopar has over 500 parts and accessories available for the Jeep product lineup. We have over 200 Jeep Performance parts accessories available for Jeep products as well. And we have a few of those shown here today. Starting up front with our Rubicon front bumper, we've actually modified it and put a guard on the front of it, a grill guard on the front of it. And it also wears our worn winch as well. We have our mud terrain 37-inch tires mounted to our 17x8 Jeep Performance parts beadlock wheels, and we've created some new steel fender flares as well that help protect the vehicle. You can see the vehicle sits a little higher. It has our 2-inch lift kit on it as well. Also wears our 5-inch LED A-pillar lights, and we have a concept hood that we've developed for it as well. Moving down the side of the vehicle, we have our Jeep Performance parts rock rail that we've attached a bar that you see is very similar to the aesthetic of what we have on the front bumper. On the interior of the vehicle, we have our catskin seat covers, accent stitching, our Jeep Performance parts slush mats, pedal kit, and we've had some fun with some paint accents as well, and a few of the grab handles that you see. And on the seat backs, we have our Mole seat back kit that allows for some extra storage as well. As I mentioned, we added the PCOR unit to the back of it, and we had some fun with it, and that really wanted to cater it towards the mountain biker that does go far out, maybe goes riding for the day, comes back and wants to have something to eat or some beverages. So we have a Dometic refrigerator in it, and we've actually also installed a hot dog roller as well, so definitely be able to have something to eat when you get back from riding. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, some of the things that we've done back here, we've added a jerry can to the back, and obviously mounted our spare tire back here as well, which gives access to this great drawer where we actually have our ladder that will allow access to the mountain bikes stored on the top of the vehicle. We also have tow hooks, we have a trailer tow hitch, and then we've also added a winch to the rear of the vehicle as well. Moving to the passenger side of the vehicle, PCOR has some great storage in it, but trying to again cater to the mountain bike enthusiast, where the other side is more of the food and beverage side, if you will. This side is more for the support side of the mountain bike. We've also got auxiliary lighting, all of our light switches in here as well, and then any type of gear that we want to have along with it. So really great vehicle. The Mopar, Jeep Performance parts, and the Jeep brand, plus adding the mountain bike ingredient into it, all really make a great team, and we're really proud of this vehicle.